Conquering conjunctions, mastering parallelism in English grammar. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving deep into an essential topic in English grammar: parallelism and conjunctions. We will go through some of the most common examples of how parallelism works when using conjunctions. Let's embark on this exciting language journey. Before we start with the examples, let's quickly recap what parallelism and conjunctions are. Parallelism in grammar means using elements in sentences that are grammatically the same, or similar in their construction, sound, meaning, or meter. And conjunctions? They're the words that join these elements, like and, but, or. Now, when we talk about parallelism and conjunctions, we're talking about making sure that the elements that our conjunctions are joining are parallel, or similar, in their structure. Let's see this in action. Now we're getting to the heart of the matter. Here are some sentences that demonstrate parallelism and conjunctions. Example 1. She likes playing tennis, reading books, and watching movies. Notice how the conjunction and joins phrases that are parallel in structure. Each phrase involves an activity followed by its object. They match, making the sentence easy to understand and pleasant to read. Example 2. He is tall, but not athletic. In this case, the conjunction, but, joins two adjectives. Both parts of the sentence use a single adjective to describe the subject, maintaining a similar structure. Example 3. We can go to the beach or stay at home. Here, the conjunction, or, joins two verbs, go and stay, followed by a location, the beach, home. Again, parallel structure. In contrast, a common mistake would be to combine non-parallel structures. For example, he enjoys to read and watching movies. This sentence is incorrect because to read, infinitive, and watching movies, gerund, are not parallel. The correct sentence should be, he enjoys reading and watching movies. And that's it for today's video. By mastering parallelism and conjunctions, your English will sound more fluent, and your meaning will be clearer. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be wielding conjunctions like a pro. We hope this has been helpful, and as always, happy language learning.